Welcome to the Mountain Plumbing Products installation video for the Tub Docking Station Freestanding Bathtub Drain Rough-In. This product has been developed as the ultimate solution to quickly and easily install freestanding bathtubs. It comes with an easy-click drain for tubs with integral overflow. The asymmetrical metal deck flange provides easier installation in tight spaces, while the removable drain stopper allows for easier cleaning. Before you begin, please read and familiarize yourself with the installation instructions that came with your product. In here, you will find important safety information and additional guidelines for installing your new tub docking station bathtub drain. Additionally, please also familiarize yourself with the individual pieces of the tub docking station model number BDWOF-DS as follows: tailpiece gasket, tailpiece, rough-in assembly, silicone gasket, socket adapter, lock nut, DWV pipe, not actually included, dust cap, spanner tool, tailpiece retainer tool, drain flange, cap and clicker assembly. For installation in a wood subfloor, the following tools are required: jigsaw or 4-inch hole saw, drill, wood screws, PVC or ABS cement, silicone sealant. You are now ready to begin the installation of your freestanding bathtub utilizing the Mountain Plumbing Tub Docking Station. Using a jigsaw or hole saw, cut a 4-inch hole in the subfloor where the drain connection for the freestanding tub will be located. Select either the ABS or PVC socket adapter, depending on the material of the drain pipe under the floor. On the underside of the rough-in assembly, insert the silicone washer, the socket adapter, and the lock nut. Hand tighten only. Cut the drain pipe to be 2 7/8 inches below the top of the subfloor. Test fit the rough-in assembly to make sure the pipe fits snugly into the socket adapter when the green flange is resting flush on top of the subfloor. Apply the appropriate solvent cement to the outside of the pipe and the inside of the socket adapter. With the lock nut in place, which is essential for this step, connect the rough-in assembly to the drain pipe. Secure the rough-in assembly to the subfloor using wood screws through the small holes in the green flange. Insert the blue dust cap into the opening of the rough-in assembly. Continue to finish the floor, making sure to leave space to remove the dust cap. Measure the distance from the opening of the rough-in assembly to the bottom of the tub drain hole. Add 2 inches to the measurement just taken and cut the tailpiece to that length. The top of the tailpiece should be just about a ½ inch below the tub when fully inserted into the rough-in assembly. Now insert the tailpiece into the rough-in assembly. If necessary, lubricate the rubber seals inside the rough-in assembly with some water or silicone grease. Make sure the tailpiece gasket is in place on top of the tailpiece. Move the tub into position with the drain hole lined up over the tailpiece. Insert the tailpiece retainer tool through the tub drain hole and into the tailpiece. Twist counterclockwise to engage the teeth inside the tailpiece with the slots of the tool. Pull upward on the retainer tool so that the tailpiece gasket is flush with the bottom of the tub. Remove the cap and clicker assembly from the brass drain flange. Slide the drain flange over the tailpiece retainer tool until it contacts the threads of the tailpiece. Slide the spanner tool over the tailpiece retainer tool. Insert the spanner tool into the grooves of the drain flange. Apply a bead of silicone sealant around the tub drain hole. Hold the tailpiece retainer tool in place while turning the spanner tool clockwise to thread the drain flange into the tailpiece. Tighten securely. Remove the spanner tool. Turn the tailpiece retainer tool clockwise to disengage and remove it as well. Drop the clicker and cap assembly into the drain flange and make sure it is fully inserted. Wipe away excess sealant. Test the function of clicker drain. Check for leaks around the tub. You will now have successfully installed a freestanding bathtub quickly and easily by utilizing the Tub Docking Station Bathtub Drain Rough-In. If you have any further questions, please refer to the installation instructions, contact our customer service department, or visit the resources section of our website. Thank you for watching our installation video and for using this latest innovation from Mountain Plumbing Products as we help make your design finished.